Hello guys, and welcome to SEMScoop keyword tool. We'll go through this video on how to get hundreds of long-tail keywords with low SEO difficulty that will allow you to rank in different search engines for any niche you want. Targeting the right keyword will save you a ton of money and time. For example, if you have a blog and wanted to write about cat training, you can start by writing the main idea in the search box and hit the search button. Once the search is completed, you'll end up with this screen. On the left-hand side, you'll find a list of suggested keywords that are close to your niche. You can analyze as many keywords as you wish. Don't try to go after short-term keywords, as those ones will be hard to target. Let's narrow down our search and filter the keywords list to get long-tail keywords that have enough search volumes. We can also sort the list by average monthly searches to get a better view of the keywords. After analyzing one or more keywords, you'll find plenty of easy-to-rank keywords. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Keyword Metrics data. This data will tell you exactly how many backlinks are needed and how much content you need to rank up for a particular keyword. This one looks perfect. How to litter train a kitten. Its SEO difficulty is pretty low, and it has enough monthly searches. The average referring domains for top-ranked pages is pretty low. However, you're still going to need some decent content to rank for these keywords. Let's take things one step closer and do further analysis for Google top-ranked pages. You can switch between tabs to get more details on Google Top Pages link profile, how much on-page optimization they did, as well as how many of these pages have the most social engagements. Once finished, we can save these selected keywords into our project, or we can just export them for later use. Good luck with your keyword research at SEMScoop Keyword Tool. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. Please feel free to share your thoughts and ideas on the tool with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to get more tips and tricks on keyword research. Thanks for watching.